My name is Mohammed Gana. I'm the Clerk Senate Committee on Science and Technology, the committee which is saddled with the responsibility of oversighting the Federal Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation and all its 17 agencies, Nigerian Natural Medicine Development Agency inclusive. Today marks 1 year anniversary of Professor Martins Emeje as the Director General CEO of the Nigerian Natural Medicine Development Agency, the man whom I am always proud to associate with. He is a superlative performance, embodiment of knowledge. He is a medic par excellence. The man who always is concerned about the development of the agency. When he came in during our first encounter, he frowned at the number of the PhD holders in a scientific research institute like Nigerian Natural Medicine Development. He assured me that before he ends his own tenure as the DG of the agency, he will have more PhD holders at the institute. He will develop the staff who will be able to conduct research on medicinal plants across the 6 geopolitical zones of the country. The man who was able to attract a lot of international conferences on traditional medicine to Nigeria. He attended a lot of international conferences in China, Korea, just to mention a few, for the betterment of the country at large. He is always proud at the level of medical tourism that used to take place. That he said, we are surrounded with the medicines, but due to lack of knowledge, we don't know the importance of these medicinal plants and trees surrounding us. He said he is always happy to associate with the committee under the leadership of our present chairman, Professor Senator Aminu Abbas, who is always concerned about the development of the agency. He was able to draw a lot of senators to have concern about the agency, plight of the agency. The man who have also written a lot of memos to the National Assembly in order to develop the agency and take the agency to a next level. So we are always proud to associate with him, and all his requests are undergoing a lot of attention from the Senate and are under consideration. We wish him all the best, and we are proud to have him as the Director General, and his appointment is apt. Thank you all. God bless.